To dress well, make sure you're wearing clothes that fit just right, since clothing that's too loose or too tight can look unflattering. If you feel self-conscious when you dress, avoid wearing clothing with large prints and wear vertical stripes to make you look taller. Make sure that you have a pair of comfortable, well-fitting jeans that you feel good wearing. Opt for dark wash denim in your wardrobe, as it can be more easily dressed up or down. To refine your look, play around with styles you like, or if you're not sure where to start, try sticking with classic, timeless styles like button-up shirts, blazers, and plain white t-shirts. You can also try reading fashion magazines and following trends, but avoid making these pieces the bulk of your closet, since you'll have to replace them when they're not in style anymore. Instead, use accessories to express your individuality, like sunglasses, hats, scarves, watches, handbags, and jewelry. You'll also want to have a couple different pairs of casual shoes and formal shoes so you're ready for any situation. Select shoes that you can easily pair with different outfits, like brown or black boots, since you'll get more use out of them if they're versatile. If you want to create your own style, find inspiration in the activities you do every day and in the people that you find yourself drawn to. Wear clothes that make you feel good. You'll dress your best when you're comfortable and feel the most like yourself.